Welcome guys to my new video. One of my fans mailed this phone to me yesterday and he told me that this phone fell inside water. My dear technician, according to him, he said that 4 engineers have tried to work the phone. Only one person fixed the phone and the phone on, but there's no backlight. So he saw me online and chatted me and I sent him location. He sent the phone to me here. So right in my hands, this is the phone. I will on the phone now for you guys to see. I want you guys to see the proof that the phone on. There's no backlight. You can see the phone screen is working, but there's no backlight. My dear technician, let me power on the phone again. Check this out. I want you guys to see that the phone on. The phone is booting very well. You can see there's no backlight. There's no lights on the screen. So I'm going to start troubleshooting to fix the issue. So without time wasted, let me start the video. My dear technician, the first thing here that we're supposed to do is to check for physical damage, right? We check for physical damage, and after checking for physical damage, we check for open circuit. My dear technician, I will use my multimeter now to read to confirm if there's any open circuit on this line. It's very, very important. I will test from the beginning till the end. My dear technician, let me start testing with a multimeter. First of all, set your multimeter to continuity mode. So let me start testing right now. Place the positive of your multimeter probe to the ground while you use the negative of your multimeter probe to test each of the legs. Start from the first one to the last one. Test each of the legs. Right here, you can see that I have some open circuit here. There is an open circuit. I detected an open circuit. You may ask, Father Joe, what is the meaning of open circuit? Open circuit is when a straight connection cuts. That is the meaning of open circuit. I just explained in a very simple way that you will understand. Open circuit is when a straight connection cuts. That's all for now. Guys, check this out. So after I take my time to read each of the legs, I discovered that some legs are not reading, and I will show you those legs. Let me remove the screen so that I will show you those legs. So without time wasted, let me do that. My dear technician, so right now you can see I just apply paste. So make sure you apply paste before you remove any screen. Take your time to do this. Do not rush. Please take your time to do this. It's important. The next thing is for you to bring your soldering iron, and let's do it. So let me bring my soldering iron. Right here, you can see that my soldering iron is very hot, and you can see the bit of my soldering iron. Check this out. Take time to do this. Do not rush. Take time to do this. Check this out. I'm done. My dear technician, please carefully dress it very well. Take your time to do this. Please remember, you want to make sure that your customer enjoy your work. So take your time to do this. Take your time to do this. It's important, please. My dear technician, the next thing is for you to use your brush. Please be very, very careful during this process. Take your time to do it, clean it very well. Remember, you want to trace out fault. Remember, you want to look for that open circuit, right? So when you clean it very well, you'll be able to see the open circuit. Right here, this is open circuit. I will show you now. Check this out. Right here, you can see this is open circuit. We have open circuit right here. We have open circuit right here, and I will use my multimeter to test it to show you guys. You can see. So use your camera. If you don't have microscope, you can use your camera. If you're using iPhone, very good. You can use your iPhone camera to zoom to see these small legs, right? Or if you have Android phone, you can still use it, but make sure you have a smart Android phone. Okay, so let me use my multimeter to read to show you the legs that are not connected. Again, they have open circuit. Remember what I told you. Open circuit is when a straight connection cut. Like this one right here, the straight connection, the word cut, the straight line of a particular thing just cut off. So it's not giving, it's not delivering what it should deliver. So that is what we call open circuit, right? Okay, so let me use my multimeter now to read the lines to show you that the line is no more connecting. So I will show you the method that you will use to connect it back, and it works 100%. So let me show you now. My dear technician, before I show you, let me scratch some of the lines for you guys to see. Check this out. I just want you guys to see the proof of what I'm telling you. Right here, you can see this particular line right here is in charge of giving positive to the backlight. So let me scratch it for you guys to see. Check this out. And right here, I think we have open circuit right here. I'm still going to use my multimeter to prove all of this for you guys to see. All the places, all the legs that we have open circuit. Check this out. This one right here, we have some black thing here. I think is open circuit. With the help of camera, you'll be able to see it well. Yes, it is open circuit. You can see it is open circuit. My dear technician, now let me use my multimeter to test it for you guys to see. So let me test it now for you guys to see. Remember, your multimeter should be set to continuity mode. Make sure you set it to continuity mode. Do not forget. Okay, so the next thing now is for you to place the positive of your multimeter probe to the ground while you use your negative to test it. So check this out. You can see this is the positive line of the backlight. You can see it's reading. Yes, it's reading. For me, there's open circuit, but it's giving some reading. Anyway, I'm going to do it very well because I don't want any issue later in this phone. Right here, you can see we have open circuit right here. We have open circuit right here. You can see you have some open circuit right here. If you have question, ask me in the comment section, please. If you have question, I will zoom it for you guys to see when I want to work it. I'll zoom it for you guys to see all the places that we have open circuit. Other places are working. We have 3 open circuit right here on this phone. On these legs, we have 3 open circuit. My dear technician, without time wasted, let me start to fix the issue. So right here, I will start by scratching. I need to scratch the lines. I need to scratch it very well so that I'll put late. So take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. Take time to do this. Take your time to do this. Do not rush, please. Take your time to do this, my dear technicians. My dear technician, if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please, if you have question, ask me in the comment section. Drop your question. It is important. Some of my videos is from your question. So when you drop question, I'll pick something there, then do a video about it, right? So some of my videos is from your question. It is important. My dear technician, so let me take my time to cross lead. Let me take my time to do this. I need to take time to make sure I apply lead to connect every open circuit. Check this out. I take my time to do this. If you have question, please drop for me in the comment section if you have. Drop for me in the comment section if you have. If you have question, drop for me in the comment section, please. Drop question for me in the comment section if you have. Please, it's important. Drop question for me. Okay, check this out. Take your time to do this. Take time to do this. Do not rush. You want to make sure that you are doing a good job for your customer so that your customer will not bring this phone after 2 days with the same issue. Take time to do this. Take time to do this, my dear technician. You can see that this particular one is giving me issue. It's taking time. Sorry for that. I will be done. I'm taking my time to do it. I don't want to rush. You can see I'm taking time to do this. Check this out. Like I said, if you have question, please drop for me in the comment section. If you have, drop question for me if you have in the comment section. I'll be done. This particular leg is giving me issue. As a good technician, I have to take time to do it. It's not all about rushing. I'm done. So you can see I'm brushing now. I'm brushing now. Check this out. I will test it with my multimeter to be sure they are all connected before I fix the screen. So let me use my multimeter now to test. My dear technician, this is my multimeter. So make sure you set your multimeter to continuity mode. Check this out. So let me start now to test. Place the positive of your multimeter probe to the ground while you use the negative to test. Right here you can see the positive works. The positive that takes positive power to the screen light works. Right here, the first one works and the second one is not working. This second one is the one that stressed me before. So let me start to work the second one again. I want everything to work very well before I fix the screen. My dear technician, check this out. So let me take time to connect. Need to use my lathe to take time to do it. Check this out. Check this out. I think it's connected now. I'll use my multimeter to confirm. You can see it's connected now. Okay, so let me use my multimeter to confirm if it is working now. Check this out, it's working now. Check this out, it's working. Both the two is working now 100%. Both the two is working now 100%. Check this out, it's reading very well. So now let me fix the screen. Let me fix screen now. My dear technician, the next thing now is for me to put the screen. Check this out. I take my time to do this. Please always take time to do this. Take time to do this. Do not rush. Take time to do this. After that, I dress it very well. I take my time to dress it very, very well. I take time to dress it. If you have questions, please drop for me in the comment section. If you have, clean it very well. When you're done, take your time to clean it very well. So let me test it now. My dear technician, let me bring my multimeter and test the legs because I don't want any of the pin to short. Check this out. You can see I test it to confirm. So let me put battery now and turn on the phone to see if it will work. Let me turn on the phone now. Check this out. It works. It works. Check this out. My dear technician, if you have questions, drop for me in the comment section. You can see that it works. My dear technician, do not forget to drop your question in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. My name is Father Joe, the CEO of Father Joe Phone Repairs. Bye for now.